So I want to show you a neat feature of FamilySearch.org where you can save and share your memory photos, stories, and audio recordings and attach those to your ancestors that they are about, and share those with your family and relatives. So I'm going to show you how that works. Now, some of the documents that you will use when working in FamilySearch are official documents like birth records, census records, marriage and death records, and so on. Those will go under your sources for each individual. But for other things like pictures and family stories, fun memories that you have, those are stored in another location. I'm going to show you how to attach one of those to an ancestor. So as an example here, you're going to start out on your FamilySearch homepage, and I typically will start with my family tree because that's my quickest way of navigating to my family members. And I've got some audio recordings that my wife did interviewing my grandfather shortly before he passed away. So we're going to click on Grandpa here, and under Memories, now this is already open. You might start on your details page, but if you'll click on Memories, there's 4 sections under here. There's Photos. Right here you can see some of the photos. There's Documents, which would be other types of files that aren't pictures, or Stories. So you can upload a story here. This one you just click on Create Story. You can include a photo, or even up to 10 images here if you want. Put a title on it, and then just type out the narrative of the story as you remember it. And again, as much detail and citation as you can include, the better, for the sake of accuracy. And then finally, the last thing you can get is audio files. And I've already put a few on here, so I've got a couple more to upload. So I'll show you how to do that. Just go ahead and click on Upload Audio. Pick your audio track that you're going to upload. And it usually will take a minute or two. And when it's finished processing, it'll drop it over here with your original track name, and it's giving me an exclamation point. I haven't finished tagging it with information. So if you click on that, it will bring you to the detail page. And the process is similar for photos. You can also include additional tags on your photos after you upload them. So we have who's in this memory. Now I know that my wife and my sister and my mother were interviewing my grandma and grandpa. So grandma, we'll go ahead and add her here as well on the who else is involved. And so now we have grandpa and grandma tied together here. And then go ahead and change the file name. I've got some pre-written standardized file names here that I'm going to stick with. That's part 4. Make sure you save after each of these changes so that it stores those for you. And then a little bit of information about the recording. So this was recorded around February 18th, 2010. Save that on there. And then the last couple things I'm going to go ahead and add here, you can tag the date. So again, it was 18th of February 2010. You want to go with the standardized date, so that checks out. And then the location is Sugar City, Idaho. There we go. So that's just a little bit about how to update those and tag some family memories and share those with your living relatives so they can enjoy learning more about their ancestors along with you.